So he asked first for 20 years, then he asked for 25 years. What is the 25th year? This is 13,800. Sum and product of AP. Sum means A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Summation of S25 is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1D. Answer is A minus D into A plus D is A square minus D square. Very good morning to my students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand today this session, Quantitative Technique, 4th semester, Unit 2, Session 3, in favor of B.B.A. It goes in favor of progression. So, what is progression? The series arrangement of a number. In the last session, I told you about the summation is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. A is the first number, n is equal to number of years, d is the difference, Sn is the summation of a number. Total of the number is called Sn. We'll move on to problem now. A company sold 3,000 motor cars during the first year. First year means A. A is equal to 3,000. The total sales in 20 years was 1,45,500. Sn is 1,45,500 in how many years? N 20 years. If the annual sale increases uniform, find the estimated sale in the 25th year and total sales in that. So they want Sn. So S25 what? Tn what? This is a question he's asking. So first question, D, don't know. So we'll apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. What's your summation? 1,45,500. So number of years, 20 years, divided by 2. 2 into how many motor cars are? 3,000 plus 20 years minus 1. D we don't know. Difference we don't know. Simplify. 1,45,500. This is 10 into 6,000. 20 minus 1 is 19 into D. 19D. Simplify. 1,45,500 divided by 10 is equal to 6,000 plus 19D. This is cancel the 0. 14,550 is equal to 16,000. 6,000 plus 19D. You take this 14,550 minus 6,000 is equal to 19D. Deduct this 14,550 minus 6,000, 8,550 is equal to 19D. D is equal to 8,550 divided by 19. Is equal to 450. Your difference is 450. Then, what is the next number he asked? What is the question he asked? Find the estimated sale in the 25th year and total 25th year. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. T25 is equal to, what's your A? 3000. How many years? 25 minus 1 into, what's the difference is 450. This is 3000 plus 24 into 450. This is 3000, 24, 10,800. Add 13,800. Then summation Sn is equal to n by 2. For how many years he is asking? 25th year. N by 2. N by 2. N minus 1 into d. S25. What's the total summation he says? He wants the total. N is equal to how many years? 25 years divided by 2. Number of years is 25 minus 1. What he wants? Estimate the sale in the 25th year and total sales in the 25 years. So 2 into Sn is equal to, formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Sum. He wants the sum, total sum for S25. So 25 by 2, 2 into, what's your base number? 3000 plus 25 minus 1. Your difference is 450. This is 25 divided by 2 into 6000 plus 24 into 450. So this is 25 by 2 into 6000, 6,000 plus 24, 450 into 24, 10,800. This is 25 divided by 2 into 16,800. So 2 8s are 16. So 25 into 8,400. 2,10,000. This is S25. Summation of 25 years is 2,10,000. So he asks first for 20 years, then he asks for 25 years. What is the 25th year? This is 13,800. Slowly you have to move. Next problem. A company sold 3,000 motor car during the first year. Same time they ask A is equal to 3,000. During the first year, the total sale at the end of 15 years, N is equal to 15 years. And it was Sn is equal to 92,250. D is equal to what? Question mark. Apply. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. What's your summation? 92,250. How many years he asking? Here now, 15 years. 15 by 2 into 2 into how many motor car? 3,000 plus 15 minus 1 D we have to calculate. This is 92,250. 15 divided by 2, it is 6,000. 15 minus 1, 14D. Cross multiply. 92,250 into 2 is equal to 15 into 6,000 plus 14D. Multiply 92,250 into 2, 1,84,500. So 6,000 into 15, 90,000. 15 into 14, 210D. You take 1,84,500 minus 90,000 is equal to 210D. Deduct 1,84,500 minus 90,000. 94,500 is equal to 210D. D is equal to 94,500 divided by 210. 94,500 divided by 210. It works out 450. Same has come. Next, what he asked, if the annual sale increase, find the estimated sale in the 20th year. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. T 20th is equal to 3,000. How many years is asking? 20th year. 20 minus 1, your difference is 450. This is 3,000. This is 19 into 450. This is 3,000 plus 450 into 19. 8,550 is plus 3,000. 11,550. Then 25th year, he wants summation of S25 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is 25. He wants for 25, no? 25 in the 20th year. 20th year. So 20 by 2, 2 into 3,000 plus 20 minus 1 into 450. This is 20 divided by 2 into 6,000 plus 19 into 450. 20 divided by 2, 6,000 plus 19 into 450. 8,550. So 20 divided by 2 into 14,550. So 2 tens are, it will go 14,550 into 10, 1,45,500. This is S20th year. Summation 1,45,500 at the end of the 20th year. We'll move on to next one. Mr. A is appointed on a salary of rupees 8,000 per month. and gets an increment of rupees 400 every year. This is every year. Okay, he contributes 10% of his salary to pension scheme. What will be the total contribution at the end of 30 years? So per month is how much? 8,000. First year, 8,000 into 12. It is 96,000, 8,000 into 12. 96,000 in the first year. The second year, increased by how much? 400. 8,000, this is 96, no? Here, no. It becomes, every year how much increase? 400. So it becomes how much now? 96,400. Third year, 96,800. Every year 400. Totally 96,000. 96,000 is not per month, every year. 96,000 per annum. Second year 96,400. Then 96,800. Then he contributes his pension. 10% of contribution. Here no. 10% of this. 96,000 into 10 divided by 100. 9,600. 96,400 into 10 divided by 100. 96,400 into 10 divided by 100. 9,640. 9,680. So here how much goes now? 9,640, 9,680. It will go like this. What is the first year? 96,000, 10%. Every year it will go, not per month. So 8,000 per month. So 96,000. Next year 96,400. Next year 96,800. 9,640. 9,640. So 9,000 means first year, how much difference now? First year is 9,600. 10% A is contribution, 10% salary. Next year is, this is first year, 9,640, 9,680. So there is a 640, 680. So D is 40. 40 is the difference. What is the first year contribution? 10%, 9,600 rupees every year. 8,000 per month means 96,000, 10% contribution. So what he wants, what will be the total contribution at the end of 30 years? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. What's the total contribution is here at the end of 30 years? What's your first year? 9,600. N is equal to how many years? 30 years. 2 into, what's your first year? 9,600 plus 30 minus 1 into, difference is 40. 10% of 4, 40 years. This is 15. 19,200 plus 29 into 40. This is 15, 19,200 plus 29 into 40, 1,160. So 15, 1,160 plus 19,200, 20,360 into 15. 3,05,400 contribution. How I did know? What I did know? See that? 8,000 means 96,000. This is not per month, every year. So per year, 96, 96, 400, 96, 800, you will go difference of 400. So 10% is here, 9,600. Then first year, A, 10% I have taken. See that? 9,600. So difference of 40. Then 2 into 9 is 30 minus 40. I have taken the difference. 400, 10% means 40 rupees. That's all. Difference is 3,05,400. Now, sum and product. You have got sum and product. Now, this is the next method. Sum and product. So, what is a sum and product of AP? So, A minus D plus A plus A plus D. This is your sum. Sum of the numbers A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Product of the number A minus D into A plus D. This is the product. Sum and product of AP. Sum means A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Product A minus D into A plus D. Okay, we'll move on to problem now. Sum is 15, product is 80, says sum A minus D plus A plus D is equal to how much? 15. Sum. Here cancel the D. 1A, 2A, 3A. 3A is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 by 3. That's equal to 5. This goes to sum. Product. A minus D into A plus D. So you must remember one point here. There are formulas you have got. I will tell you the formulas. A minus B whole square or A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. What is A plus B whole square? You remember in high school, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then, A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Then, A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This you have to remember. A minus B whole cube, A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. This you have to remember. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. By chance it is A minus D into A plus D is A square minus D square. This is A plus B whole cube. This is A minus B whole cube. You come back to formula product. A into A minus D into A plus D. This can be written as A into A square minus D square. This is a formula. What's your A? 5. 5 square minus D square is equal to 80. Is equal to 80. So this is 5. 5 square is 25. Then this is 5 square is 25. D square is equal to 80. So 25 into 5 is 125 minus 5d square is equal to 80. Minus 5d square 80 minus 125. If the plus 125 comes that side, become minus 125. Minus 5d square 80 minus 125, 80 minus 45. Minus minus cancelled out. D square is equal to 45 divided by 5. That's equal to 9. D is equal to root of 9. That's equal to 3. So your A is equal to 5. D is equal to 3. So what's your problem? A minus D. A plus D. What's your A? 5 minus 3. A is 5. 5 plus 3. 5 minus, it is 2. 5. 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. It is 3 difference. So this is what we are going to find out. Then we'll move on to next one. Sum is 18 and product is 122. Sum of AP, A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 18. D cancelled out. 1A, 2A, 3A. 3A is equal to 18. A is equal to, this is equal to 3. Product. Product A minus D into A plus D is equal to 192. Or we can write this A minus D into A plus D is equal to 192. What's your A? 6. This is A square minus D square is equal to 192. What's your A? 6. 6 square minus D square is 192. 6. 36 minus D square is 192. So 36 into 6. 216 minus 6D square is 192. Minus 6D square 192 minus 216. 24 minus 6D square is minus 24. Cancel minus minus. So D square is equal to 24 divided by 6, 4. D square is equal to 4. D is equal to root of 4. D is equal to 2. So what's your A? A is 6. D is 2. What's your formula? A minus D, A plus D. What's your A? 6 minus 2, 6. 6 plus 2. This is 4, this is 6, this is 8. So the series are 4, 6, 8. Hope you understand. Last one. Sum is 12, product is 260. Sum. Sum of AP A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 12. Cancel DD. 3A is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Then product. Product of AP, A minus D into A plus D is equal to 260. This A minus D into A plus D is 260. So this is A square minus D square is 260. What is A? 4. 4 square minus D square is 260. 4, 16 is 260. I'm going step by step. See that 4 into 16, 64 minus 4D square is 260. 64, 260 minus 4D square. What's your A? A minus D, A 260. So A minus D, A plus square, A square minus D square. So 4 square, 64 minus 260 minus 4D square, 260 minus 64. So this is minus 260. This is minus 260. So minus 4D square minus 260, 6 plus 64 minus 324, cancel. This is minus 260. So D square is equal to 324 divided by 4, 81. D is equal to root of 81 is 9. It is not plus 260, it is minus 260. Minus 260. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to 9. A minus D, A plus D. 4 minus 9, A is 4, A plus, this is 4 plus 9, minus 5, 4, 13. So 13 minus 4, minus 11, 5. Minus figure is coming in, that's all. Minus 5, 4, 4 plus 9. 4 minus 9 is 5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. So minus figure is given, that's why. Now, sum is 24, product is 440. Sum A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. D cancelled out. 3A is equal to 24. A is equal to 8. Then product. A minus D into A plus D is equal to 440. A into A minus D into A plus D is equal to 440. This is A square minus D square. So what is A? 8 square minus D square is equal to 440. This is 8, 64 minus D square. 64 into 8, 512 minus 8d square is equal to 440. So minus 8d square 440 minus 512 minus 8d square 512 minus 440 minus 72. So minus minus cancelled out. D square is equal to 72 divided by 8. 8 9s are 7. D square is equal to 9. D is equal to root of 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, A is equal to 8. D is equal to 3. So, A minus D, A plus D. Or sorry, 8 minus 3. Then A, 8 plus 3. This is 5, this is 8. This is. So they are in the series of 5, 8, 11. Same thing we are solving. Last problem. The sum of the three term in AP is 24 and their cubes is 1968. It is not squaring. So sum is 24. Their cubes are like this. So we'll go with sum. A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. D cancelled out. 3A is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 divided by 3, 8. Then cubes of that. What is the cubes? A minus D whole cube, A cube, sum. Sum here, there, and sum is like this and cube is like this. A minus D whole cube, A cube plus 8B. Their cubes is 1968. So come back here, this formula. A minus A, this is A minus D whole cube, A cube minus D cube minus 3AD into A minus D plus A cube, A plus A cube plus D cube plus 3AD into A plus B is equal to 1968. A cube minus D cube minus 3. Simplify. A cube minus D cube minus 3A square D minus into minus plus 3AD square plus A cube plus A cube plus D cube plus 3A square D plus 3AD square is equal to 1968. See that D cube cancelled out. Then 3A square D came. So this is A cube, A cube, 3A cube plus 3AD square, 6AD square, 1968. What's your A? 8. 3 into 8 whole cube. 6 into A is 8 into D square, 1968. 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8. 512, 3 into 512 plus 48 D square. 1536 plus 48 D square is equal to 1968. So 48 d square 1968 minus 1536. So 48d square deduct 1968 minus 1536, 432. D square is equal to 432 divided by 48. 9. D square is equal to 9. D is equal to root of 9. D is equal to 3. So, arrive the figure. A is equal to 8. D is equal to 3. If you apply now, you can get that. So, in the formula of A minus D whole cube, what's done? So, A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 3. If you apply, you can get it. Cube, you must be careful. Hope you understand this. So, we have solved square also, cube also you have solved, product also solved, summation also solved. In this session, we come across sum of the product and also we can say product, sum and product we have solved. Sum is A minus D plus A plus AB and product is A minus D into A into A plus D. Even the cube also solved here. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next class with some more problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.